Hello friends. So today's question is, what is write ahead log? This is wall file or wall. Okay. So if you know the answer, please like. If you do not know the answer, please subscribe or comment. So it will very helpful for new videos. Okay. And so what is wall? Basically, wall is write ahead log. What is the use of it? So we'll see here. Basically, when we make a change on a page in the buffer cache, it generates a log records containing detail of the modification. So whatever we made a change now, that is logged. Okay. And SQL Server write this log record in the disk as a transactional log before the associated dirty pages is flushed to the disk or data file from the buffer cache. So this process is known as write ahead log. Means whatever we modify in the memory area buffer cache that is not flushed yet. Okay, so that is in wall log. Okay, wall file. So as write ahead log will ensure the acid property. So what is acid properties? Acid means atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. Okay, so this is acid property. All RDBMS follow this acid property. In NoSQL you have a cap theorem. Okay, in the following image, see in the images. Okay, we can see that the transaction log record is written first and later page written to the disk. Okay, so this is modified page, or we can say dirty pages. It is a grade. Okay, and when the checkpoint fired, it flushed that dirty pages and all. Okay. So it ensures that if any issue happen and server suddenly shut down, sorry, during database recovery, it read the transactional log file first. API in the recovery process is undo or redo file. Okay. So this is how the log write ahead log works. Okay. So this is known as write ahead log. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching.